Hi guys! So welcome to my mini vlog. So for today's video, pag-uusapan naman natin ang pagkakaiba ng inquiry and research. Last time, we talked about what research really is. But in this video, pag-usapan naman natin ang pagkakaiba ng dalawa. Ano nga bang inquiry at ano naman ang research? Let's go back to what we have discussed last time, wherein we knew that research is a systematic way of investigation. Take note of the words systematic way and investigation. But in inquiry, for example, kumain ka na ba? Or mahal mo ba ako? Those are examples of inquiries, right? And therefore, it can be answerable by yes or no. But in research, take note that research can't just simply answerable by yes or no. Kailangan palalimin pa natin kung ano ang dapat nating malaman tungkol doon sa tao, sa grupo, o sa komunidad. But inquiry can be part of research. Siyempre, hindi ka naman makakapag-research o makakapananaliksik kung hindi ka magtatanong. Di ba? But siyempre, tandaan that inquiry can simply answerable by yes or no. But in research, it is not just simply answerable by yes or no. Tandaan,